Hold on to your hats, folks, because what I'm about to show you is going to completely redefine how you think about vans. We're diving deep into the groundbreaking 2026 Kia PV5, and trust me, you've never seen anything like it before. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that is legitimately blowing my mind. Kia is stepping way outside the box with the 2026 PV5, and it's not just another boring minivan. We're talking about a modular, multi-purpose vehicle designed for both personal and commercial use. Imagine a van that can transform from a family hauler to a mobile office, to a delivery vehicle with just a few simple modifications. That's the promise of the PV5. What makes this vehicle so special? Well, think about swappable modules. Forget the fixed interiors you're used to. The PV5 will be a blank canvas, ready to adapt to your every need. Need more cargo space? Swap out the passenger seats for a cargo module. Running a mobile business? Transform the interior into a workspace. The possibilities are truly endless. And let's talk about the design. It's sleek, futuristic, and a total head-turner. It's not your grandma's minivan. This is a van that's actually cool. Kia is aiming to create a vehicle that is not only functional, but also stylish and appealing to a wide range of buyers. This is huge news. Now let's dive into some of the specifics. While Kia hasn't released all the details just yet, we know they're focusing heavily on connectivity and technology. Expect a fully digital cockpit with advanced driver assistance systems ADAS for enhanced safety and convenience. Think of features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. And of course, it'll be fully electric, aligning with Kia's commitment to sustainability. This isn't just about being environmentally friendly, it's about performance too. Electric powertrains offer instant torque and smooth acceleration, making the PV5 a joy to drive. One of the most exciting aspects is the potential for autonomous driving features. While full autonomy may still be a few years away, the PV5 is being designed with the future in mind. Imagine a van that can drive itself, allowing you to focus on other tasks while on the road. This could be a game changer